because our neighbor here is not really a close neighbor. She's kind of lives a little bit further away.
Just a little bit.
Than Miss Dina.
Yeah.
So I kind of feel like I'm on a roller coaster here.
Yeah, sorry. I'm kind of a fast driver, aren't I?
Kinda.
What are they doing there? All right, so Dina picked someone.
Dina picked someone, and I guess we can tell people because they can't see.
Right.
So we are ding dong dinnering Miss Kelly Ruby.
Mm-hmm. She was Dina's pick, so we're excited.
She is actually a local State Farm insurance agent.
Mm-hmm.
And she's super great, super fun, likes to eat healthy.
She works out.
Works out a lot.
Got some cute little kids.
Is this her house?
No, well, it's the next one.
Oh.
Isn't this a pretty subdivision?
Holy cow.
I know.
These are some Mac Daddy houses.
Yeah. So I've catered for Kelly a few times. That's how I know where she lives. But she's got such a pretty house.
I mean,
But
you know.
she works and's got little kids, so I'm sure she's going to appreciate having dinner delivered to her home. I think it's this next one.
It's going to be hard to kind of sneak up on her, huh?
I know, it is. Yeah, this is going to be funny.
Well, let's just hope she's home because, like I said,
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
I know. Check it out.
That's such a small house.
It is, this teeny little thing.
It's tiny. It's like a shack almost. I don't even know how somebody lives in that.
I wonder if she even has a kitchen.
I don't think she does.
Okay, and here's the tricky thing. Their front door is in the back.
Now, who puts the front? Oh, I can see why.
I know.
I
It's
can
confusing.
see
So I think we go in through her garage. That's how I usually go in when I cater.
why. So are we just dropping it and ringing the doorbell though?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to
Okay.
drop it and knock and then run.
Okay, here we go.
See?
Oh yeah, it's kind of.
I know. I think we should do this door. It's right by their kitchen.
There's no way.
So you get back there and I'll hurry.
Are you going to be a good view? Yep, I can see. Oh my.
Hello?
We're gonna get up.
You're so sweet!
I think we surprised her. Okay, so
Mission accomplished?
mission accomplished.
Okay.
I'm as Heather backs out, I'm gonna just show you the small shack that Kelly Ruby lives in.
Yeah, it's like,
You don't think she'll be embarrassed, do you?
oh my gosh, no.
Okay.
They moved out here. I'm trying to remember. Like, they haven't lived here forever. Like a couple, maybe more. It's probably been longer than I think.
I'm gonna flip you around
It's such a cute house.
so you can see it.
Am I driving?
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Can you see?
I don't know if I can see.
Can you get it?
No, keep driving down a little bit. Bye, Kelly Ruby. We hope you like the Korean sloppy joes
And the yummy pasta Alfredo.
and the broccoli fritter.
broccoli fritters and the cocoa crispy treats.
There we go.
Okay, I'm hungry thinking about it.
Okay. we're off.
We'll have to see who she picks next.
Ooh, we forgot to ask.
I know, we probably should have, we need to put that on our little things.
So Kelly's gonna have to pick the
Yeah.
next.
Oh, yeah.
The next
Yeah.
neighbor.
We've got the date. We just need the person.
Right. So we'll have to let her know the date, and hopefully it'll be a neighbor that's maybe closer by. I don't know. I mean, it's beautiful out here.
It's gorgeous.
but
yeah.
it's, okay.
Not
All right.
necessarily in the neighborhood, but that's okay.
Right.
That's
Just
okay. We love
in-
all of Eureka.
Just maybe in Eureka.
Yeah, still the same zip code. Actually, no, this is a different zip code.
That's what I kind of thought.
It is, yeah, Pacific.
Okay, so if you know Kelly Ruby, you might want to be really nice to her because you might get ding-dong dinnered by 2 hungry neighbors. Peace out. Enjoy your night.
Bye.
Alright, it's great. Tell me what you said.
It's good.
It's
Delicious.
delicious.